Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Nusaiba Nujha and I was a science background student and I completed my A-levels in 2022 and I started my ACCA journey in 2023. I completed my AFD in 4 months, and as a science background student I thought it was really hard for me to cope up with the chartered accountancy, but due to the help of my co-workers and the faculties and the seniors, it has been really easy for me to adjust with the environment and get. As ACCA is a professional body and it has acceptance over 180 countries, I have decided to pursue my education in ACCA because I wanted to go abroad for my higher studies, and as by doing ACCA I can achieve a BSc in Applied Accounting from Brooks University after completing my skills level and after submitting a thesis paper. So this will be a great help in my career. There is an amazing opportunity in ACCA that I can pursue my higher education from Macquarie University in Australia. If you want to pursue ACCA, it doesn't matter if you are a science student or a commerce background student. If you have pure dedication towards your studies, you will be able to achieve your higher education in ACCA. Thank you.